Hey guys, before this video starts, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications and go to one of my videos and hit that like button so that I can feature you in one of my next videos. Bye guys. Yo guys, what is up? And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own thumbnails or your logos and stuff. So if you want to make your own logo, that will be in this video, but I'll show you what programmer you need. So they will all be in the description below, so pixel.com/editor. So you gotta right click to run Adobe Flash Player. So this is basically, you can either open image from computer or create a new image. And yes, so I will make another video of that. And yes, so let's go back to the actual video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own thumbnail. So go down to the description below and you should see in the first link, it should be picmonkey.com, and it should lead you to this site: photo editor, design maker, and ideal realizer. So you have to first off choose an image. So I'm going to go to my computer, and then okay, for the sake of this video I'm just going to go for an example. So well, basically I prefer some galaxy backgrounds, so you can choose my example as well, but I'm gonna choose this one, animated galaxy background. So right click, save image as, and then name it to anything you want. So I'm gonna do galaxy background. There we go. Okay, so once it's installed, close down the tab, go to edit, don't press it if you want. Then just go to computer. Make sure you press computer as well, and then you can drag it onto it, but just search up galaxy background.jpg. It can be any JPG or PNG, and it doesn't really matter. So once you've chosen your background, it should lead you to this monkey here. You just gotta wait until he's filled up with like this paint or something, but I'll show you what to do next. So in this case I'm going to be doing a thumbnail for the video that I'm going to be doing now. So you can go to flamingtext.com and you can look for some logo designs. So I really like this one, for some reason. My favorite color is blue and I like this font. So press on it, and now you're going to go to edit logo. Now okay, so basically logo text, choose your logo text first. So I'm going to choose how to make a free thumbnail. There we go. Okay, now go to background and where it says type, press transparent. If it's in color, deselect that and go to transparent, because if you do it, it will have like the color in the background. I know you can basically play with the other text and stuff. So now just press next, and then you can either buy the logo or download it. So yeah, there we go. So once you've done that, go to the butterfly, and then add your own. So add your own. My computer, and I'll go to, hold on, I think it's in, yeah, the downloads. Cool logo 939. Okay, now you should open it. And now once you've loaded it in, it might take a while because it's the big one. Okay, there we go. So now once it's here, you can position it anywhere. So I'm going to position it as like this. So you can basically turn it around and stuff, but how to make it, oh, I should have added a, oh well, how to make a free thumbnail. Maybe I should make it smaller, to be honest. How to make a free thumbnail. There we go. Now you can also search up like logos such as like free. So you could search up like free tags and stuff. So go to images. Here we go. So I usually search up this one, 100% free. Now go to save image as. Every name as you want, so this will be free sign. Okay, you can close both of the tabs down if you're not already. Now add your own again. My computer. And then this. Oh no. For some reason it always changes. But here we go, free sign. There we go. Oh wait, I think you guys might have to do it in the transparent free sign. Okay, that should be it. There we go. Okay. So you may not find lots of these, but you might have the logos of the Shuttershock, but I wouldn't do that, to be honest. I don't really care about my thumbnails, but I want it to be as really good. So the entrance in that JPG. You can paste it anywhere basically, so this is all Pic Monkey's an editor anyway, so you can do anything to it. So I'll show you what you can do next. You can basically add your own, your own images. But I'm gonna show you something else if you want to do it. So it takes quite a long time, I don't know why. But yeah, so once you've loaded it in, you can do all this stuff. I'll be right back, guys, because this may take a while, I don't really know. Okay guys, it's loaded in right now, so I'm just gonna put it so that it looks neat. And then I'll add the Pic Monkey signs. Pic Monkey. You should always add the logo of what you're using so that you can, okay, well it has monkey, but so if you don't find this, okay, this is the transparent one, so this is the good one. Save image as Pic Monkey. Now close that down and go here, add your own overlays, my computer, and it's currently okay. No, Pic Monkey.png. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna make this bigger as well, so I can see it. I'm gonna also show you guys how to make a banner, but it's in the video. So I'm just gonna do it like this one, or I might add like a shocked emoji or emoji transparent. It's good to stay transparent because you won't see like the stuff. So here we go. Here it is, emoji, PG and PNG. Okay. Shocked. I don't know why I used that for some shocked emoji. Pic Monkey, close that down. Okay. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I am back. So this is what it looks like right now. I'm just gonna adjust this a bit. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So what you want to do next, if you're finished, just press save, and just press save, and then hold on. I think it's like lagging a bit, but the way I used to do it was I pressed save, but okay, hold on. Maybe, hold on. Okay guys, I'll be right back, hold on. Okay guys, so for some reason I can't get this to work. I think they made an update because last time when I did mine, I could just press save. I could just press save, and then I would be able to go to the let's see, I would be able to go to the save menu and save my things, but today I'm just gonna show you another option. So go to your hold on, go to your, so if you have Windows 8.1, so it's the one for you, but you can also do it in any Windows. So just go to the Windows menu, then search. Snipping tool is what you need. For some reason, I think they added an update where you could just, but again, you don't have to do this. Oops. You don't have to do this. It's just not like, you can get the what is it? You can get the full version, but you know I can't get it obviously. But yeah. So just save it. Make sure you use the tool. But yeah, so now you can go to youtube.com. Go to the video that you want. Hold on, guys. You guys, I am back. So now, once you really want to do more tutorials, or like if you want to do more tutorials, just comment down below. And yeah, guys, see ya.